WT 0398 Rose Abrigo, 30 years old, married, high school graduate, 1 year experience and 5 months as domestic helper in Hong Kong. Okay, Rose, please introduce yourself.
Yes, good afternoon, sir. I'm Rose Abrigo. I'm 30 years old. I'm married to Daniel Abrigo Jr. We have 2 children, and I worked before in Hong Kong, 1 year and 5 months.
Miss Rose Abrigo, tell me about your experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong.
Yes, sir. I work and I do my daily duties every day to clean the house, prepare the lunch box for the children, and continue do the house.
Are you willing to be a domestic helper for Hong Kong again?
Yes, sir.
Who do you prefer to take care now? Newborn, kids, or elderly?
I think kids, sir.
Do you know how to cook Chinese foods?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you do all the household chores?
Yes, sir, I can.
If the baby still keep crying, what will you do?
Sir, first I take the temperature. If this keep crying, maybe I will call my employer.
If the baby has fever, what will you do?
Sir, I think first I will check the temperature and I must call my employer.
Do you know how to sing a lullaby song?
Yes, sir.
Can you please sing one song?
Okay. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Okay. If you feel homesick in Hong Kong, what will you do?
I think I will make busy to my work.
How about if one of your family members will get sick in the Philippines? Will you break the contract? What will you do?
I will break my contract. Maybe I will call them not to worry or not to worry about my situation.
Okay. Can you finish the 2 years contract?
Yes, sir.
What are the things you will teach to the children?
Sir, I will teach them the good manners and talk with the younger than them.
Okay. How long can you work in Hong Kong?
Sir, after my finished contract, if my employer needs me or like my work, maybe I will sign another contract, sir.
And why you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Sir, I choose the Hong Kong because more salary, and I heard somebody work there that employer is good.
Okay. Can you give some message to your soon-to-be employer?
Yes, sir, madam. I hope you will choose me and promise, ma'am, I will do my duties and I will follow your rules and regulations, and you can trust me because I'm honest and hardworking. Thank you.
WT 0398 Rose Abrigo. Thank you very much.